Come on, man, that nigga doing, bro? Come on, nigga, gotta make the video. Hey, where you doing, bro? What you doing, bro? Get off, bro. Hey, get off, bro. We gotta make the video, bro. Come on, bro.
Shit.
Yeah, come on, bro.
Oh, yeah. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy RTK here, and today I'm be reviewing my boy's Scat pack that he got over here, man. Go ahead and take a look at that thing over there, man. That shit looking clean, boy. So, y'all like this video? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. Let's get into the video, all right?
Man, it's RT Dancing, man. No, that one no bit. Well, matter of fact, I'm RTK, man. Y'all make sure y'all get him to 500 likes right now, man.
Yes, sir.
Got me on 2K right now, man. So we just making the vid. Going to hell, just want to make the vid content, man. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. So the video consists of, man, of the 2019 RT Scat pack, man.
That's RT Scat pack?
Yeah, RT Scat pack.
Yeah, that shit hard, I ain't gonna lie.
We're gonna talk about the mod that I had put on here. We're gonna do a little review that all the stuff I did to it, as far as like mods and stuff like that. My top speed, all that, we're just gonna talk about that. So we're gonna start from the back, come on.
Yes, sir. Let's start off with the ass. That's what we gonna start off with.
So I got a wicker bill. That's the first thing I put on the wicker bill. Then I got
got the wicker bill too.
Got the fusion.
Now I ain't gonna lie, I ain't got my shit on there, bro. I need to put my shit on there on God. How much did the diffuser cost?
Oh, like 100 some, 90 some, and like 90 some.
Oh shit, I didn't even notice, bro. You got the shit, you got it tinted, right?
Yeah.
I ain't even noticed that.
So if y'all need all the parts, y'all just go to eBay, bro. Go to eBay. That's where I get all my parts from. They cheap.
eBay?
Yo, they're cheap. They're real cheap.
Damn, but I went on fucking Amazon.
Yeah, they real cheap. Yeah, you go to Amazon too, but I recommend eBay, man. So y'all make sure y'all tap in. And I got the Hellcat rims. Don't mind my tire, cause my car dirty. But I got the Hellcat rims. I originally had like the regular Scat pack rims. They came with the car, but these Hellcat rims. So y'all make sure y'all tap in on them.
Wait. What type of brick is that?
I forgot what Hellcat rims, but I forgot. But y'all know, don't folks in the comment know. Y'all make sure y'all comment.
God damn, what happened?
Yeah. Hit the curve.
Hey.
I got it like that.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? So we're finna go in the hood. Oh, I got the windows set too, so we're finna go to the window.
Yeah.
That nice. So we at that part. We finna go in the hood though.
All right.
Man, it just can look on the hood. Ain't not too crazy though. Just a little slight. I ain't got no tunnel, man. So
ooh, look at that. That shit says powered by SRT.
Ooh. If you got a Dodge, I recommend them because this can
what is this?
Oil catch can.
Oil catch can? What that shit do?
It just like it stop like all the dirt from coming to your filter. That's why I got the what's name right here.
Damn, that shit hot.
It gonna stop. It gonna come through here, stop everything from right there, then go through there. It ain't gonna get everything though, but it gonna get majority of the things, and that gonna save your motor. So I recommend that. They're just little $90 you can invest to. But I recommend it on any Dodge Charger, well, any Mopar period. Like any got me a Mopar, Camaro, Mustang, you know what I'm saying? Any street car, I recommend that. That's a good mod to put on there. And I had a little bar too, but I had to the charger. You want that?
You had the bar?
You want that bit?
Dead ass?
Yeah.
How much you want for it?
Throw a price.
Huh?
Throw a price.
I don't know, 50, 100.
100.
All right, I'll do 100.
You want to go get a bit now?
Right now?
Yeah.
We can get in a little bit.
Later on.
Later on. I know you got shit to do with your girl and shit.
Oh, no, it's great. I'm waiting on you. Cause
Yeah.
I'm going to how damn it be. When I go out there, don't even go back outside. But the bar connect to your wheel. Like, it really feel like when you car racing. Like,
Why you take it off though? Why you take it off?
Cause I ain't want to bitch on that no more. I ain't want to bitch on that no more.
Okay. I feel it. Okay.
That bit really for car racing though.
What happened here though? Let's what happened to your bumper, bro? Let me get sliding.
Hey, no. So one day I was on my phone, bro. Why you pointing it out, bro? You trying to bury me for the YouTube, man?
I ain't embarrassing you, bro. It's in front of the video. I gotta say something or else they gonna say something.
Hey, don't count, bro. I was on my phone down there. I just got there and hit another car.
You hit another car.
Hey, but still, I can drive. I can slide them. Hey, I can slide though. You know?
Nah, we definitely gotta get it. We gotta get a video on that. I ain't gonna lie to you. We gotta get a video on you sliding.
I'm gonna have a ski bag myself. Hey, they ain't gonna know, but they gonna know though. Yo, we gonna have a little slide, you know? So we finna do a little.
Yeah, we definitely gotta do a little.
We finna do a little couple pulls, see what it's talking about.
Hell yeah.
So we finna do a couple pulls or whatever on the Scat pad, see what it's talking about.
Alright, y'all make sure y'all tap in with my boy right here, bro. Yeah, make sure y'all tap in with him, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and fuck with you, bro. I see you. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video off right here, bro. If y'all like this little video, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. Like I said, man, we on our way to a K, man. We're on our way to a K, but right now we're gonna go on the slow pace, bro. We on our way to what? We at 357 right now, bro. We on the way to 400, bro. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video off right now here, all right?